Hello, and welcome to the future of education. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the MindReader app, a powerful tool designed to revolutionize how we approach learning and tutoring. Imagine having a superbot-powered assistant at your fingertips, ready to assess and prescribe the most effective path to student success. That's exactly what MindReader offers. First up, let's talk about it. MindReader is packed with insights from the best online tutoring methodologies, giving you an edge in creating superior tutoring programs. But what sets MindReader apart is it dives deep into understanding each student's unique challenges through a curated set of questions, pinpointing exactly where they need help. Once the diagnosis is in, MindReader crafts. These aren't just any plans. They're engaging, effective, and tailored specifically to each student's learning style. And here's the kicker. MindReader's recommendations evolve as your students progress, ensuring that their learning journey is always fresh, relevant, and challenging. The initial assessment and onboarding process is seamless. Through an interactive interview, MindReader evaluates and then unveils a tailored learning prescription, setting the stage for a customized educational voyage. MindReader doesn't just assist, it empowers. By equipping tutors with sophisticated tools, it transforms traditional educators into adept online tutors, confident and ready to deliver impactful learning experiences. At the Learning Success Academy, we're not just educating, we're revolutionizing education. With MindReader, every student discovers the joy of learning tailored precisely to their needs. So teachers, tutors, parents, let's elevate education together. Download MindReader today and join us in crafting a future where every student excels. Thank you for watching. MindReader, let's make learning fun again. See you on the inside.